Hi guys, I am back with the first episode in my new series, which right now is going to be called All Things Miniature. I'm not sure if we're going to keep that um, title or not, but I will let you guys know. But I'm super excited to go on this journey with you, and as you can see, I have 3 dolls here. These are the 3 that I've gotten so far in this line of dolls. They are so cute. They are so adorable. And they're brown skin girls like me. If you guys have noticed, I'm brown. So these are super cute. They are the OG, which is our generation dolls. And before I get into talking about my cute dolls here, if you didn't see the video before this, where I decided to introduce a new series to you guys, we're just going to go over that real quick. Outside of being a paper crafter and a cake artist, I also collect all things miniature, as you see. So I collect everything from dollhouse miniatures and dollhouses. And dollhouse miniature is 1/12 size, if you didn't know. The next size I am collect and I'm a hobbyist about is the 1/6 size, which is the Barbie dolls and the 11 and 12-inch size dolls. And then we have these cutie patooties here, which are 1/3 size. So all 18-inch dolls and their accessories, these are our generation dolls. You may see some other kind of dolls in the store, or the American Girl dolls. They're all 18-inch versus they're all 1/3 size. So if you're a collector like myself, or if you're buying these dolls for your kids, or if you're a hobbyist, just know these dolls are 1/3 size. So if you would like to build things for these dolls or buy other accessories for these dolls, you want to look for 1/3 scale for these dolls. This part of this series is not only going to be doing unboxings and showcases of the dolls that I get and the accessories, but it will also be a hodgepodge of unboxings, tutorials, things like that. And it won't just be 1/3, it will be all things miniature, which is why it's going to be called All Things Miniature right now. So as you can see, I have 3 distinctly different dolls here. We have Macy here, we have Heaven in the middle, and then we have Malia here on my right. And I am just going to show you guys really quickly what these dolls are all about. So first up, we have, let me see if I can, we'll push her back so you guys can get a look at her. First, we have Heaven. Heaven is the first OG or our generation dolls I purchased. Our generation dolls are found at Target.com, ourgeneration.com, in the Target stores, which is where I got Heaven, and Walmart stores. I'm not sure if other discount stores sell them, but I do know they have some type of partnership between Target and Our Generation. So if you go to the Our Generation website and you want to purchase their dolls there, they're going to link you back to Target.com. So just so you know. So Heaven is a cutie patootie. She has 2 little puffs right here. The hair on these dolls is chef's kiss gorgeous. It is so soft. Her curls are so shiny and they are popping. She has a part straight down the middle. Heaven is on a cooler tone brown skin girl. She has these beautiful gray eyes, and these things with these dolls, if you lay them down, you guys can't see that. There you go. If you lay them down, their eyes do close like they're sleeping. And when you stand them up, their eyes stand up. They are soft body dolls, which means their whole midsection is soft. And then they have this vinyl for the arms, the legs, and the face. And you can squeeze it so it's not super hard. The articulation in these dolls isn't the best. I wish it was better, but I guess when you have a soft body, you can only do so much articulation. The legs go up and down, the arms go up and down, and her head stays in. Her head can go with some effort side to side, but that's about it. Malia, Heaven here, is rocking her Gryffindor Crest from Hogwarts outfit. This outfit is not an OG outfit. I bought this outfit from Target.com. Not Target. I'm sorry, people. I have Target on the brain. I bought this doll outfit from Amazon.com, and it retails about $20, and it comes with the cloak, which is semi-reversible. It's burgundy on the inside, black on the outside. It comes with this cute pleated skirt. It comes with the sweater, the tie, and there's a white shirt, and it also comes with, you can see, these really cute socks. The shoes did not come. These are from our generation, and they are priced at $7.99. They're really cute. I thought I'm gonna make my girl heaven a little different, so that's why we have those. And then this outfit, you can't be a wizard without a wand, so she has her wand as well. I have some double-sided tape on it, so for pictures, to get her to hold it in her hand. This is what the back looks like of this adorable outfit. Heaven's original outfit was a really cute white dress with fur trim on the bottom. She came with white stockings and a kind of like a gold lame pullover to put on. I wasn't a huge fan of it, and that's why I'm different. So that's why she got on her little Hogwarts Gryffindor outfit here. Heaven retails for $24.99 in the store. She is absolutely freaking adorable, and that's why she was my first doll. Hopefully she'll stay standing up. Next, guys, we're gonna move all the accessories over, and I'm gonna show you guys what the accessories are talking about. Next, we have my girl. She's on a doll stand. My girl. And I'm going to take her off the doll stand. And we're going to move Heaven to the side, and we're going to put her back here. My girl, Malia. And Malia retails for $29.99. Sorry about that, guys. She is 18 inches as well, just like the height of the other dolls. Heaven looks a little taller because having shoes gives her a little extra height. Malia is really cute. Malia is $29.99 retail price, and I think the reason why Malia is $29.99 because Malia comes with a little pet. She comes with a little cute little dog here, and the dog has a little cute sparkly collar with a little dog tag and his little leash, which can be wrapped around the dog's wrist if she wants to walk her dog. And then the dog came with some dog accessories. We have a little comb here. Not too sure what this is. I guess it's a little doggy toy. Comes with a little tennis ball. And of course, dog blue bone. So those are the accessories that Malia comes with. Malia is very cute. Malia is on the warmer tone of brown. She is a little darker than Heaven. She has a really cute smattering of freckles along the bridge of her nose. She has these really gorgeous chocolate brown eyes, and her hair is like a really a brown gorgeous color. She does have some box hair coming out of the box because I just took them out right before I started recording, so I probably will come through them and make it a little bit better. But the hair, like I said, is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. And this is what the back looks like. Malia has on this gray vest. It does have little stitching attached to the shirt, so you do have to cut those off. She has full pockets up top, and then she has real pockets. We love us some real pockets down here. She has on some floral pants, which velcro in the back, and then she has on these pink plastic shoes. I am not a fan of these shoes. I will probably be sourcing some other kind of shoes to stick on her. I'm probably going to change her whole outfit because I'm not too huge fan about it. And then her shirt is white, and then it has some little glittery heart prints on it. Like I said, yeah, not a huge fan of this outfit, but it's what she came with, so I will probably be promptly changing her soon and doing a little fashion show with Malia to show off her new outfit. All the dolls come with these little clear plastic rubber bands in them, which I will probably change out. I do make hair barrettes and stuff, so I will probably just find something to stick on her to make her look a little better. So we're going to put her back on her doll stand. And if you guys are curious about this doll stand, it is an OG, our generation doll stand. It's coral, because I think coral is probably one of their common colors. It looks like hot pink and like orange. I got it on Target.com. It is $9.99. And I'm probably going to need a couple of them for my dolls, but I just wanted to see what it looks like first. So, and it's definitely made to work with 18-inch dolls. So there's that one. And last but certainly not least, I'm moving over all her accessories so I can show you guys in a minute, is my girl, Macy. Macy's cute. She's so adorable. Macy retails for $34.99, and Macy is not in the store, guys. If you find a Macy in the store, great. I have like 2 Targets near me, and I couldn't find Macy, so I ordered Macy online. I actually saw Macy on Walmart.com, but I ordered her through Target since I knew they have a whole line of dolls. And like I said, our generation dolls, they have like over 100 dolls. So they're not a black toy brand. They have all skin tones, all skin colors. They have boy dolls just like they have the girl dolls. Our generation, I think, worked very hard to get representative of what our society looks like today, which I'm very appreciative. They have a large number of black and brown dolls. They have some Asian dolls as well, and I think my next doll that I'm going to pick up probably will be an Asian doll, because I saw one in the store that I think it's absolutely adorable. So let's get back to Macy. Like I said, Macy's $34.99, and Macy is not from the original line. Macy, I think, was made to go with the our generation food on the go food truck, which, guys, I do have. I have the food truck. The food truck will be video 3. So her colors are the same colors as the food truck. So that's why. And it just says that in her box, it just says that she is posable. Her arms and legs are flexible, which, as you can hear, the noise, guys, the noise. So, but she can move, but she can't move anything beyond that. So she has basic articulation of these dolls in the arms. The head turns a little bit. It's easier to turn than Heaven's, but it's there. It doesn't turn side to side or anything like that, because these of their soft bodies. Her legs go all the way out, but her knees don't bend, and I wished her knees would bend. I wish these dolls' knees would bend. So they have the basic points of articulation. It's nothing fancy, so I don't know why they say that she can be posable, because all the dolls do that. So it's nothing fancy. She has on a little jean skirt, which is Velcro in the front, and her shirt is coral, and it has white and coral stripes on the sleeves. It is a Velcro in the back, and then she has on these cute little brown sandals, and this plastic does come off. It's just to keep the shoes on the doll while in its packaging. Macy's hair, guys, let's talk about her hair. Her hair is freaking gorgeous. It is black. It is a little box hair, so I'm gonna have to comb it down to tame its wildness, but it's super soft. There is no product in none of these dolls' heads at all, which I absolutely appreciate. It's nice and soft. It has a very unique design in it. I'm trying to show you guys. So there are 2 ponytails here, and then in the front, let me show you. She has 2 little buns at the top, and they connect here and they go down. So she has a very cute, very adorable hairstyle. Her eyes are a chocolate brown, just like Malia. And then she has this like really cute tinge to her lips. The ears aren't pierced. I wish they were. I'm probably gonna have to pierce the ears myself, put some earrings in my doll's ears, you know, make them look cute, that type of thing. So we're gonna put Malia back, Macy back, Macy, because I got 2 M dolls. I don't know why I did it on my shelf. I got 2 M dolls, and I'm gonna confuse their names until I figure it out. And she doesn't want to stand up. She stood up the whole entire time, guys, in this video, and now she doesn't want to stand. So we're gonna have to put Macy down. So Macy comes with the old, and it's just a thread from the box. I literally took the box, the stuff out before I made this video, so I'm gonna have to take some tweezers and just pull the thread out. It comes with an OG grill hat, some elastic in the back. I'm not messing up my girl Macy's hair with this. It's cute, this cap. So I'm gonna put the cap in the food truck, because since she's the food truck girl, that's where this cap's gonna go. She has this really cute apron. This is what the inside looks like. It has really good stitching. It does have some elastic here, elastic Velcro. It's been a long day for me, guys. Some Velcro here to put around the doll's neck, and then they have the strings to tie around her waist. It does come with an order taking pad and this adorable pen, which the top does come off. This pad is actually a real pad. The level of detail is crazy. And then it comes with this to-go, and it is paperboard. It's to-go food container. And you will, when I do the walkthrough of the truck, you will see that there's more of these that come with the truck. Inside, we have 2 tacos. These tacos are cute. So cute. They looks like little beef tacos. And then we have a little, oops, I dropped it. A little container of salsa. So that is adorable. Guys, if you hear my son in the background, I'm sorry. He is the typical 11-year-old boy who plays video games all day. So there's that. And then we have these 2. One is a fruit smoothie. The tops come off. The straw does come out. And these same type are in the food truck as well. And in this one, it has some multicolored fruits in it. We got a blue, a lime green, a yellow, an orange, and a fuchsia red color. The top does come off, but the fruit doesn't come out. So all of that comes with Macy, which I think why is her price point a little higher. I think all these dolls are in an affordable range. Heaven is the cheapest here because she is one of their base dolls. Most of their base dolls are $24.99, and then if you want dolls that have extra accessories, the price goes up from there. I think the highest price I've seen for one of the dolls is $49.99, and that is because it was a holiday doll and it came with a whole bunch of other accessories outside of the doll. So these dolls are very affordable. They're very cute. They're 18-inch dolls, so they will fit right in if your child has an American Girl doll and she wants some toys, some friends to play with, or if you're like me, it's a very affordable investment as a doll collector, a miniature collector myself. So once again, I'll give you the pricing. Heaven, she's $24.99. Malia is $29.99, and she comes with her little pet doggy. And Macy, she is $34.99 because she is a special edition, and she is made to go with the On the Grill food truck. That is it that I have for you guys in this video. Like I said, video 2 will be a walkthrough of the retro hot dog stand, guys. It's so cute. It's so stinking adorable. So that video will be out in a few days, and then following that video will be video 3, which will be a walkthrough of the On the Go food truck. I have lots of accessories for these dolls. There are lots of other things available on Target.com. There's the food truck. There is an ice cream truck. There is an ambulance. There is a stable. There is a classroom. There is a vet area thing. There is a retro diner. There is a movie theater. I mean, OG, our generation, they did it up with this entire line with their dolls and all the accessories and the clothes and things like that. It's absolutely adorable. So that's why you will see more of these from me. But until we talk to each other next time, bye bye.